Let's see how you can easily automate follow-up messages to maximize conversions. For example, in Instagram, when you send a message through a chatbot automation, and if a particular customer doesn't reply to that message, you can easily send a follow-up message within few minutes to get them back into the conversation and maximize the conversions over there. So let's see how you can easily achieve this one over here. So here I'm in a demo account and we have connected all the support channels like Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, SMS and other channels you see right here. So to demonstrate the follow-up messages, I have actually created a simple flow as well. So let me go to the flow section over here and show you. So here I'm in the flow section. We have this flow, fitness coach lead generation demo. So let me open this flow. So here we are actually asking few questions from the customers. For example, first, hi, first name, can I ask three quick questions to help you recommend the best workout plan? And they can actually choose one of these options, yes, sure, or not right now. So let's say they choose yes, sure. And then we actually ask them about the main fitness goal. Three options right there, and then how many days per week they can actually work out, and then the current fitness level as well. And after these three questions, we actually push them to book a free consultation call as well. So here, suppose let's say if they answered this question, ask them what is the main fitness goal, they choose one of these options, and then we actually ask them this question. Suppose if they stop in the middle of this question, you can actually send follow-up messages to ask, get them back to this particular same question, and then push them down the funnel right here. All right, so let's see how to use this new follow-up feature. So here, if you click on this plus icon, you have the option to add the follow-up option right here. So here, if you click on this option, it says by default it says 1 hour, but you can actually set the own time frames as you like right here. So here, this follow-up won't be sent if the contact replies before the time expires. Suppose if they actually let's say just wait for like 15 seconds. All right, so here, and connect that one here, continue. So here we actually ask them these three questions over here. Suppose if they do not reply to one of these options, or if they fail to choose one of these options over here, then we actually can send the follow-up. Suppose if they reply with one of these options within 15 seconds, then they won't get the follow-up right here. So that's a beautiful thing about using this follow-up feature right here directly. So here you can actually send a message asking about, are you still interested, or something like that. So here, let me say, are you still interested, and yes. So here we can send a follow-up message in 15 seconds saying, are you still interested, and yes. So here, if they choose yes, we can simply ask the same question again. So like this, you can actually set the messages as you like. And again, if you want to add a follow-up for the same thing, you can do that as well. Follow-up, and here you can make a duplicate of this one right here, and you can actually change this message right here. For example, you can actually change this follow-up message just to shoot the specific question you asked right here as well. But for the demo, let me just use the same follow-up right here. Likewise, you can add a follow-up for this message as well. So the follow-up will be sent only if they do not interact within the specific time frame you set up right here. Suppose if they reply instantly within, for example, for this specific question, let me say 15 minutes. So here, let me click on publish as well. For example, this one is set up as 15 seconds. So if they fail to choose one of these options within 15 seconds, then this follow-up will be sent. But for this specific follow-up, they have 15 minutes to respond to this question. So here we have set up the follow-up 15 minutes. It will wait 15 minutes before it send the follow-up as well. Suppose if they send a response within 15 minutes, it doesn't send any sort of follow-up. There's also another feature called as wait as well, which is a different compared to the follow-up. So wait will always wait for like the time frame you set up right here, and always send that specific message as well. It doesn't check whether the customer has responded to you or click the button, etc. It will just wait for a few seconds right here, you set up right here, and always send the follow-up message right there as well. So if you want to always send a follow-up message whether they reply or not, then you can actually use the wait delay feature right here. But if they actually fail to respond one of these options, you can actually use the follow-up, because that will be useful in that specific use case as well. So for example, after we share the consultation call link over here, we can use the wait delay feature, asking them, hey there, did you get a chance to book the call? So this wait delay block 15 seconds will send this message in 15 seconds asking, hey there, did you get a chance to book the call? Whether they click on this button or whether they send any other messages, it doesn't matter. It will simply still send that message, but the follow-up will be sent only if they do not respond right here on that specific step right here. So let me click on publish over here and let's test how this actually works. So here, this is the flow name, fitness coach lead generation demo. So let me actually activate this one through a simple comments automation. So here, marketing tools, let me go to the Instagram comments. So here and create a new one, and let me say follow up demo. All right. So here all post, you can choose that one. Private reply will be the specific flow, which is fitness coach lead generation demo, and public comment reply. You can say send you a DM, and you can add different variations if you want. And here you can add a keyword as well to trigger this automation. For example, let me say it. So here let me set the keyword as fit, and only if they comment as fit on any of these posts or reels, then this automation will get activated. And here you have more options as well. All right, so here you can even delay these responses if you want, but for now let me click save over here. All right, it has been saved. So make sure you activate this one before you test as well. All right, so we can test how this actually works. So here, this is the Instagram account connected, Demogetic Media. So let's go to this Instagram account and add the comment right there with a specific keyword which is fit. So let me share my phone screen over here. All right, so this is Instagram account, and let me add the specific keyword comment right here. So you can choose any post right here and add the comment as well. For example, fit. All right, so I just added the comment right here. Let's see what happens over here. So here we receive the message. It says, hi Robert, can I ask 3 quick questions so I can recommend the best workout plan for you? And if you click on see post and open this specific comment, you can see the comment reply as well, send you a DM. All right, so let me go to the messages and choose one of these options. All right, so let me say yes, sure. And now it should actually ask the second question, what is the main fitness goal right there. All right, so it says, awesome, what is the main fitness goal? So if they do not send a response in 15 seconds, we should actually receive the follow-up as we set up right here. As you can see here, we receive the follow-up. It says, are you still interested? Suppose if I choose yes option over here, it will take me directly to the same question back here. So I say yes, and it will simply ask me the same question right here. So let me say build muscle, and then it will actually ask me for the next question right here, asking about the how many days per they can work out, 3 to 4 days, and then the level of the fitness right there, beginner or intermediate or advanced. So let me say beginner. All right, so now it will simply ask them to book the consultation call, and here we have this wait delay feature where in 15 seconds it will simply ask them whether they book the call or not. Okay, it says, hey there, did you get a chance to book the call? Simple as that. So since this is set up using the wait delay block, it will always send that specific message after the specific time frame we set up right here. And here they can easily book the call by clicking on this link, book now. It will take them directly to the specific calendar we have set up, and from here it will simply, they can choose the time frame they like as well. So you can actually track all these conversations happen through the unified inbox. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track conversation from all support channels, including Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other channels you see right here. So this is from the Instagram right here. So you can see all these chats happened, including the previous chats as well. So here this was assigned to me myself already, and it's also marked as follow-up as well. So here you can find different filters over here. You can, if you click on my inbox, it will show only the chats assigned to your profile as well. So if you unassign or remove the assignment, it will show only one. Simple as that. And you can also remove the follow-ups as well. And from this unified inbox, you can actually send any sort of messages to your customers as you like as well. So here this all conversation, and let me expand this inbox, and from here if you want to check only the conversation from the Instagram, you can choose the Instagram channel and it will show only the conversation from the Instagram. Likewise, you can choose Facebook Messenger and other channels as you like as well. All right, and that's a quick video on how you can easily automate the follow-up messages. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.